or derail our progress, that we are all working for the people of Kenya. If we win, Kenya wins. There's also a chapter about legislative leadership. My colleagues from the parliamentary leadership sitting here. Former Speaker J.B. Muchuri and our current Attorney General, the current Speaker Moses Wetangula, Papa wa Roma, my cabinet colleagues, and former majority leaders in the Senate, Kithure Kindiki, who also became at one time our Deputy Speaker, and Kipchumba Murkomen, the current CS for Transport. They all know how hard it was to set up a bicameral parliament, the tension between the two houses, and how we got to balance. I also tell the story of devolution as a chapter, and the tension between the Council of Governors and everyone else, including the executive and the two houses of parliament. My friend Isaac Ruto, Mr. Speaker, was to be here today. I invited him. He's on his way coming, because he's very central in this book. He was part and a parcel of the struggle. He helped us pin together the URP Constitution. Many nights we sat with him at the family Bibilica along State House Road. And of course, the famous ile pesa bado inalete shida hata hapa ukimuuliza Mheshimiwa Rigiji. Still, the Senate, the National Assembly, and the county governors are still grappling with the same issue of ile pesa. But we are working on it, baking a bigger cake to make sure that we have enough for the counties, and the counties make enough to sustain themselves. It's not easy, but we are on course. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am sure many people do not know what we had to go through to pass laws. My opposition colleagues, the Honorable John Bandi, the Honorable Opio Wandai, were to be with me here today, but because of the political inhygiene in our country, they asked me to pass their message, and that they cannot be here, and they have sent their apologies. But they know the secrets, and I have shared those in the book so that future leaders know how to apply the game to win for the people of Kenya. Sometimes we have to push through necessary laws to make sure we kept our country safe.